Hey everyone, this is Dan Charles with StocksAlerter.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the 3 things a stock can do. Now before I get to the video, I want to say please subscribe to the channel to get more videos, and check out the link in the description box below this video. Check out our website, StocksAlerter.com. Okay, 3 things a stock can do. So we're looking at Tesla, and the 3 things are, 2 are very, very simple. First one is a stock can go up. If it's going up, it's in an uptrend, and you can see here on Tesla, we're clearly going up. Sure, we pull back every now and then, but the overall direction is up. The other thing we can do is we can go down. So you can see Tesla going down. This is a downtrend. You can see it also pulls up and then continues the downtrend. The next thing a stock can do, let's look at Twitter stock, is price can go sideways. Now, the key is you do not want to be entering when a stock is going sideways. You want to make sure it's trending, and that means it's either going up or down. It sounds simple, but sometimes people have difficulty figuring out when a stock is going sideways. So you can see here, we're just going sideways on Twitter, and you can go sideways in a stock, meaning you have no trend up or down, just sideways, for weeks, months, even years. I've seen stocks go sideways for a year or more. Now here you can see we're just in this range, and that range is roughly 42.85 to 40.14. Let's just call it 40. Now you can see here it finally breaks out above that range, but then it pulls back. You can see in this scenario we're going pretty sideways as well. We're not going anywhere. We're just going up, down, and then boom, big drop. Once you have that big drop, we go a bit sideways again. We break out, we pull back, and now you can see there are pullbacks, but the overall direction on Twitter is up. Let's do another example. Let's take a look at Facebook. Okay, clearly you can see Facebook is on an uptrend. It's going up. Here you can see Facebook is going down, and it's also going pretty sideways in here. Going very sideways. We're just going up, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down. We do break below this sideways trend, but then we don't go too far. We just turn around, continue going up, and then we start in this uptrend. Obviously, the markets have been just going up and up and up for a long time, so it's hard to find too many examples of downtrends or even sideways, but let's take a look at Microsoft, see if we see something. Clearly, Microsoft has been going up, but you can see before it started going up, it was very, very sideways. Very, very sideways, up, down. This is when you do not want to enter the stock. You always want to wait until it breaks above and is trending. And that goes for the downside as well. Down the road, we'll learn about how you can short a stock. You can profit when a stock's going down or up. You can even profit when a stock is going sideways with various option strategies, which we'll get into down the road. But in this video, I just wanted to talk about these three things. Stock can go up, it can go sideways, or it can go down. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.